Hello friends, welcome to lmsd.com. In today's video, I will show you how you can use Canva for your screen recordings. Screen capturing or screen recording is a great way to showcase your skills and share it with your learners. Most educators use the screen recording to share any tips or the lessons with their students in current online scenario. So now let us see how you can use the Canva design tool to record your screen and then share the videos with your students. So let us get started. So as you can see on my screen, I am having a presentation design open and I will just show you how you can use the Canva screen recorder to record the screen and then share the video with your students. So let me show you how you can do this. On your Canva presentation screen, just go to the share button on the top right corner. Now here you will see this present and record button. So this is the tool which we are going to use in. So just click on this present and record button and it will show you a prompt that you can record yourself while taking over presentation and then share a video link with your students, friends or colleagues. So now let us click on this go to recording studio button. Now Canva will ask for your permissions for using your camera as well as the microphone. So let me give the permissions right now. And I will just click on start recording. So as you can see, now I am recording my screen. You can see my video here and whatever I will do on the screen, it will be recorded in the video on the Canva tool. And once you are done with your recording, you can just click on this end recording button. You can also pause your recording in between by this button. So now I will click on this end recording button. Now what Canva will do is it will upload this video and keep it in as a video recording along with this presentation, and you can get a link to share this video recording with your students. You can also delete this video as well as then re-record a new video altogether if there is an error while recording. So as you can see, now your recording link is ready and you need to share this link to your students. So I will just click on this copy button, and for the time being I will just click on this save and exit so that you can just exit from this prompt. You can also download this video or you can complete this card. So I will just click on this save and exit. Now I will show you how the video will look alike when you will click on this link in a new tab. As you can see, this is the video recording and I will just click on the play button. So this is how your video will look alike, and you can easily change the player controls here. So this is how you can use the Canva tool to record your screen and then share it with your students as well as with any other user who is using the internet. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon. And thank you very much for watching.